Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about Keylogger. Keylogger is used to record activity of your friend, your employee or your computer system. So what is Keylogger? A keylogger is hardware device or a software program that record the real-time activity of a computer user including the keyboard keys they press. So generally it's two types, hardware keylogger and software keylogger. Hardware keylogger are used with your keyboard input pin. You can see in this image, it attaches to your keyboard cable and directly connected to your CPU port. Second one is software keylogger. Software keylogger are softwares that will directly install to your computer to track your real-time activity. Hardware keylogger is only identified by humans. So let's see demonstration of software keylogger. Go to actualkeylogger.com website and click on download. As I already downloaded on my desktop, you can see here. Double click to install it, click on yes, click next and accept the agreement. Select the directory and click on next. Give it a name. I am giving it name as AK. Click next. Don't create a desktop icon if you are installing it on your victim machine. We are just doing trial, so install it. Click on finish.